Hello dear colleagues, engineers. Let's consider the 26th method, named copying. In general, the copying technique is preferred to use in the early stages of the creation and development of a technical system. Naturally, when creating any technical system, if there is an excess of resources, you can use the best, most expensive components. But this way is often not advisable. When the system is newly created, we may not know whether it's worth overpaying for heavy-duty materials. When repairing existing equipment, if it's possible, follow this technique. Try using not original components, but cheaper copies. Sometimes this way is rational. For example, a car manufacturers mark parts with their brand. As a rule, these parts are much more expensive than similar in construction and suitable for your brand and car model. It often happens that one brand produces spare parts for another brand of a big automobile concern, and in this case, knowing the actual manufacturer of original spare parts, it makes no sense to pay for the original. Another reception of this technique prescribes us replace the object or system of objects with their optical copies. In the continuation of the automobile subject, there is another example. You probably met on the highway a mock-up of a traffic police car or a mock police officer on the road. These examples of applying the copy method have been shown to attract your attention to those sections and their sequences which you specify in the process of working on tasks in production. So first you should set the perfect final result and then choose the method that leads you precisely the way to an area with new ideas to solve a task or a problem. That's all for the technique copying. Have a practice this technique over the next day and it will become your reliable tool in non-solvable situations. And remember, there are no non-solvable situations. I know you can find a solution.